On a breezy Saturday afternoon, Marcus, a successful entrepreneur and proud owner of a secluded lake cabin, was sitting at his handcrafted oak table deep in discussion with the state attorney general about a community waterway conservation partnership when sudden, aggressive pounding on the front door shattered the calm. Before he or his guest could react, the door burst open and HOA President Karen, flanked by two board members, barged inside without knocking, waving a thick folder of supposed inspection papers, and loudly accusing Marcus of running an unapproved commercial operation and violating HOA bylaws by hosting official meetings, even though his cabin was fully private property and far outside their jurisdiction. And before Marcus could stand, Karen spotted the Attorney General and, mistaking him for some local contractor, barked that outsiders can't negotiate water rights here, demanding they leave at once. But the Attorney General, dignified and calm, rose slowly, introduced himself by title, and presented his official credentials, his deep, authoritative voice filling the room and instantly changing the atmosphere. The color drained from Karen's face as she realized who she had just interrupted, and the board members behind her froze in stunned silence, their clipboards dropping to their sides as the Attorney General firmly explained that Marcus had every legal right to hold private or governmental meetings on his property, that their forced entry constituted trespassing and potential criminal breaking and entering, and that misuse of HOA authority to harass or intimidate property owners would trigger an immediate state investigation. Karen stammered, trying to claim she had community oversight rights. But the Attorney General cut her off with a clear warning that she and her board were violating state property laws and could face charges if they did not leave immediately. Realizing the gravity of the situation, the board members began retreating toward the door while Karen's voice faltered into awkward apologies, and when the Attorney General assured Marcus that his office would personally follow up to ensure such harassment never happened again, Marcus thanked him and watched with quiet satisfaction as Karen and her entourage shuffled out under the weight of their own arrogance. Once the door closed, the Attorney General smiled and suggested they continue their discussion over coffee, and Marcus felt a deep sense of relief and pride knowing that his rights were not only fully protected but reinforced by the highest legal authority in the state, while the HOA learned in the most humiliating way possible that his private cabin, and his dignity, were far beyond their reach.